not gammon. Oh.
That's the right shot, Murray. It's just a murder bunker. Like.
Oh, that's nice.
There were 3 good bunker shots, mate.
First, shouldn't I, really? Don't worry, I'll do the rating.
Good man.
That's right, Murray, man. Pretty good shot.
I think this 7 iron's the right club.
Go for the green. See if you can get some backspin, topspin on it.
These 2 cunts are new. Open it up, mate. Open it up.
Oh. Open it up more.
Flatter.
Oh.
Gotta go sideways, mate.
So close,
Go sideways.
This one's coming
Sideways.
out now. Otherwise I'm going to hit it at Murray.
Sideways, big man.
Sideways. Flatter.
Oh.
All day.
Sideways.
All day.
Flatter.
I mean Murray's footprint now.
This is going on YouTube, man, if you don't put it sideways. Oh.
Sideways.
Stop, mate.
This is my best. This is the one that I've got. This is my shot.
It's
This is
impossible.
how I
Yeah,
practice
it's
it.
impossible. It's not physically possible.
Sideways.
Wait, you stop.
Shall I go that way?
Sideways.
Please. Stop, man. This has got to stop, man. Hey, man. Yeah.
How you going to play that next shot?
Fucking knackered.
Remember, you're stroking on this.